Yo, what's up? It is your boy, it's Swigz, aka Moparswiggz. You already know, man, from the title what's going on in this video, man. I hope y'all like these videos. Hope y'all like these vlogs, man. Please like, comment, subscribe. Just hit the bell notification, man. Support the channel, support the vlogs, support the car vlogs. And if you're into gaming, go over to my gaming stuff. All links in the description. But this video is another cheap mod from Autozone. Now I had to do this video over because for some reason my content got corrupted on my camera, so my whole intro was just messed up. So I'm just basically doing it. I got a whole different outfit on, but we got a trim mod from Autozone, which is we got the Type S kit. You guys probably seen this all over YouTube for, you know, all the cars, but I'm actually doing this mod. It's like a $64 kit. You get to do basically the top part, and then you have to buy an extender piece to do the bottom part. So this will do the whole top of the dash. The bottom piece, you have to get an extender that's like $26, which it'll be in the video. I'll have all the parts in the video, but this is what we're actually doing today. This is the mod we got going on. It's a little trim mod, man. I seen it on YouTube a few times. I seen a lot of YouTubers doing it, and I actually when I went to AutoZone, I seen this in there. I was like, yo, I'm about to cop this. But it looked dope. It seriously looked dope in the whip. And you know, it's just a little inexpensive mod I'm doing to my charger. So we got that going on, and then we got paddle shifters that I installed on there as well. So we gonna get to it. Hope you guys enjoying this stuff. Like I said, I got a full car mod vlog coming soon. I'm still getting stuff. I'm still getting parts. I'm still getting all type of stuff in the mail. And just I got to get a lot of stuff installed. I'm doing some of the stuff myself, and then some of the stuff I got to get installed by a professional. Which all my lights I am getting reinstalled, hardwired into my car, so I don't have all these cords and stuff like that, which you'll see in the video. I tried to hide them as best as I could, but I'm gonna try to eliminate that by getting them hardwired in my car. But if you guys like these little cheap mods, man, feel free to comment down below what you guys are doing to your cars. It don't have to be a Charger, it can be any type of car, but just giving you an idea on what kind of mods you can do to your car. It does not have to be a Charger, none of that. It could be any car, you know, just giving type of ideas to people who want to do something, you know, something light and cheap to their car. But in all total, these mods were around 100 and something all together, because I bought extra stuff, which you'll see throughout the video. So, you know, let's get it popping. Let's get it started. And I do got a surprise to show you guys. So I'm going to show you guys that in the next. All right, so this is what I wanted to show you guys real quick. I actually got my diffuser in. I got that in the mail the other day. And I got my carbon fiber diffuser. So I'm going to kind of hold it up. That's what it is. Carbon fiber diffuser is in the mail, man. I gotta get this installed. This is going to be a whole separate video, but I just want to give y'all a quick little shout, a quick little show out of that I got that mod coming, bro. The whip is getting crazy, man. I hope you guys like this stuff, man. And yeah, let's get on with the rest of the video. That's another video to coming soon, man. Coming soon. Peace. All right, so real quick, I did get some wrap in the mail. So I got some wrap for my diffuser when it comes. I'm gonna wrap my diffuser, which this is a chrome. Man, I forgot the damn. It's like a chrome cherry red type thing. I forgot the exact color of it. They don't have it on here, but it's a 3M wrap. It's a chrome red. So I got this to wrap my diffuser, the shark fins on my diffuser. And then I'm probably gonna do some other stuff, like I'm gonna redo my red stripes that's in the front of the bumper with this and a few other things. Then I also got this mod that I wanted to show y'all, which is the paddle. I got the paddle shifter that everybody be getting. You know, the paddle shifters, I got those as well that I'm gonna put on here. Yeah, so we gotta install those. I'm hoping this comes with some type of adhesive. I think it do. I think it's behind there, but yeah, we got those two in the mail, man. So we got a couple little small mods to do, something light. But yeah, we about to head to AutoZone. I'm about to go grab this stuff, and then we're gonna get back because I think it's supposed to thunderstorm and shit today, which the weather been real retarded lately. But yeah, we're gonna try to get this installed before it start thunderstorming, or I'm gonna be in the car with the air on installing this stuff. So yeah, we'll be back. We're about to head to AutoZone. Alright, so we got to AutoZone. I picked up the extender piece. I already opened it. I need to see what it looks like, but this is the extender piece that I gotta do for the center console. It's the whole piece right here, and then I got this other piece to go in my fuse box so I can run them hardwire to my daytime, to my anytime lights, the lights that cut on, or the power that cut on when the car cut on, so the trim lights can come on with that. So this is the extender fuse extender piece to run it hardwire. I'm not gonna do that at first because I'm gonna let my boy do it for me, because I ain't got the tools to do all that extra stuff right now. But this is, you need this piece to run hard cords to the fuse, and you put the fuse inside that little black thing, and then you put the black thing inside the fuse that you took out, that you want to run a connection through. So it's pretty simple. It's $7. That this extended piece was like $26 because it was AutoZone. So I mean, this is a fairly cheap mod, but it's also expensive too at the same time. You're gonna spend like $100, around almost $100, and like, I don't know, $7 or something altogether for the whole thing, just to do the extra stuff. But I mean, it's a cheap mod compared to spending $300 or $400 for, you know, underglow and all that crazy stuff. So I mean, it's fairly cheap. But I'm gonna try to start installing this, and I don't know if I'm gonna be able to set my tripod up in the car, but I'll periodically come on video and show y'all what exactly I'm doing. I'm gonna try to get a little footage of installing it, but I'm gonna see how I go, because I gotta do it while I'm in the car. So you know what I'm saying, and I'm the only person recording. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do it, get it popping. I will see y'all here in a few minutes. Alright guys, so we got it all installed, man. I got everything installed. I couldn't run it up here because I couldn't shut my thing, so I got it running off to the side right here. I'll probably try to figure out something else with this, but for right now, that's just how it's gonna have to be until I get my wiring situated. But for real, it's all in. You can't see it up here that much because, like I said, it is dark, or it's light outside, so you can't really see it up here because the light. But it's all installed, man. This shit looking crazy. Definitely a fire mod. I'm gonna try to get some night shots at night and show y'all how it's looking at night, but I'm pretty sure this is gonna look fire, bruh. Most dope mod, man. I'm excited about this, and I got the app running as well. It's like literally plug and play on the app. You just download it, and then you can just start changing colors on it, man. It is ill. I got it set to blue right now, but you can change the colors in each zone, and you gotta make sure you put the right zone, plug in the right zone and the right thing on the hub itself, and then you can like literally just change all the colors to each zone that you want to change. It's probably not gonna really show up. Like, that just turned red. You can see our pink, and you can like literally do whatever colors. You got all these modes down here that you can change, cycle, all that stuff like that. It's really dope, man. This is really a really dope mod to grab, for what it is. I think it's pretty dope, man. I think it's fire. I just wish this top part was glowing, but like I said, it is freaking light time out, so you can't really see nothing from the top part. But like I said, I'll get nice shots, and we're gonna go ahead and throw these on too as well. I don't know if I can set my camera up to throw these on, man, but I'll give some, you know, I'll just show you after I get them installed what they look like. You guys probably already know what they look like. They go on the paddle shifters, but we're gonna go ahead and throw those on next. So I'll be right back, guys. Actually, I'm gonna try to set my stuff up in the car. Actually, I'm gonna do it now. Matter of fact, hold on. Let me see if I can set this up. I got the air on too because it got extremely hot, and I think it's about to thunderstorm again. So I'm gonna just set it up like right here. Yeah, we're gonna do it like that. I got the air on, so y'all gotta bear with me on that. But yeah, we're gonna, and I got the car on too. So we're gonna try to install these paddle shifters real quick. Just something simple, man. We got 2 mods in one. I hope they gave me everything with these, because it don't look like they gave me everything, but we're gonna see. Because I'm pretty sure these are supposed to stick on in some type of form or fashion, but I don't know where the sticky at. Oh, okay, it's on here. Oh, snap. Damn. Alright, I gotta figure out. Oh, it's pretty simple. It just stick on back here and it's already formed to fit. Just gotta put the sticky on there. It's got a sticky that come with it. You guys just gotta actually put on there. So let me try to go ahead and get this popping. It's just a little sticky back, man. Something simple. Ain't gonna break the bank. Now these were, if I'm not mistaken, $25 on Amazon. Now, and they also got these on eBay. You can get these on eBay as well. But I think Amazon was probably the quickest. I think I either paid 25 or 30 something for these. I can't remember. But these are extremely cheap, dude. Like, and this just throw a little bit of pop. You know what I'm saying? Just a little bit of extra pop and stuff onto your car just to make it stand out a little bit. Oh yeah, that look crazy. Yeah, that look crazy right there. Hell yeah. They just make your car have a little bit of flair. I don't use my paddle shifters that much. I play around with them every now and then, but I don't really use them all like that. But damn. So they got the little sticky stuff on there because they didn't put it in the package right. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and throw these on. Just some really cheap mods, man. If y'all ain't looking to break the bank, do these little cheap mods just to, you know, do your interior mods and then do your out mods. Like, just something cheap, man. Just something. They ain't too cheap. They're not cheap where they look corny. Cause I mean, you could do some like mods where they look mad cheap and corny. You just like, man, I ain't doing that to my car. It's just little small aesthetic stuff that's dope. Like, oh yeah, this fire, and they work. Yeah. All right, check it out. Yeah, this fire. That make it look crazy. It make it have a little crazy effect to it, like a little race car effect. I got some more red stuff coming. I got some carbon fiber red, little trim to go around the steering wheel. Yeah, it's about to be nuts, man. I'm telling y'all, bro. Just some cheap mods. Like I said, this was like 25 or 30 bucks. The trim was like 70 something. The extra trim mod was 26. This piece was $7 just to hardwire your lights so they come on with the car and all that stuff like that, which I'm gonna have my boy do. I'm not gonna do this myself, but my boy gonna do it for me. And yeah, man, more cheap mods. These was like 13 bucks. So you know what I'm saying? And the steering wheel cover was like 15. So, you know, just some interior, cheap little interior mods just to throw on the whip. And I'm gonna have some nighttime shots at night to show y'all the real effect of the trim liner. So we'll be back on that. Appreciate it, y'all. Like, subscribe, comment. I have some nighttime shots too, so this ain't gonna be over, but we definitely gonna be right back, y'all. Peace. All right, what's good, y'all? This is the night view that I was trying to tell y'all about. I'm on my phone, but this is what it looked like at night with the accent lighting. Don't look too bad, man. Go all the way around, all the way on the top of the dash, all the way to the side. But yeah, that's it. And then I got that accent lighting at the bottom. I just got to change the color to red. But yeah, man, looking pretty dope to me. I like it. I like it, man. It's that night view, night shot of it. Looking crazy. Like I said, man, quick little mods, man. Cheap little mods. This is around $107 for the whole little mod kit for the top and bottom. If you guys like it, man, please like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you guys will do this mod, and if you got any other type of little mods going on. I'll try to do some more videos showing, and I'm going to do a whole car review, whole car mod review as well. So be on the lookout for that. But it's your boy, it's Swigz, man. Moparswiggz. You already know what time it is. Live it, speed, race, chill. We out of here. Peace.